Crystals are beautiful stones found in nature, often admired for their stunning appearance and unique formations. They come in many colors and shapes, each with its own distinct beauty and characteristics. For a long time, people have believed that crystals have special powers, using them in various cultural and spiritual practices. Some people use crystals to help them feel better, incorporating them into their daily routines for emotional and physical well-being. They believe crystals can help with things like stress, sleep, and even cravings, providing a sense of calm and balance. Crystals are said to have vibrations that can interact with the body's energy, promoting harmony and healing. While scientific evidence is limited, many people find crystal healing to be a positive and supportive practice, enhancing their overall well-being. Whether you're new to crystals or curious to learn more, exploring their potential benefits can be an interesting and enlightening journey. Crystal healing is an alternative therapy. It uses crystals to help with health and well-being. The idea is that crystals give off energy. This energy can change the energy in and around our bodies. Think of it like a tuning fork. When you strike a tuning fork, it vibrates at a specific frequency. Crystal healers believe that crystals have similar vibrations. These vibrations can then influence our own energy, bringing it back into balance. Many crystals can help with cravings, offering natural support to manage your desires. Amethyst is a beautiful purple crystal that is said to bring peace and balance to your life. It can help with cravings for food and drinks that are bad for you, making it easier to resist temptations. Apatite is a striking blue or green crystal. It can help you feel full and reduce your appetite, aiding in weight management and healthier eating habits. Rose quartz is a lovely pink crystal known for its gentle and loving energy. It can help with emotional eating, providing comfort and reducing the urge to overeat. If you're craving sugary treats, try clear quartz. It's a powerful amplifier of energy and can help to strengthen your resolve, making it easier to stick to your goals. Section 4. How to use crystals for cravings. Crystals can be a powerful tool in managing and overcoming cravings. There are many ways to use crystals, each method offering unique benefits. You can carry them in your pocket or purse, keeping their energy close to you throughout the day. You can also wear them as jewelry, allowing the crystals to stay in contact with your skin. Some people like to place crystals in their homes or offices, creating a calming and positive environment. Another way to use crystals is to meditate with them, enhancing your focus and inner peace. Hold the crystal in your hand and focus on your breath, feeling the energy flow through you. Visualize the crystal's energy, helping you to overcome your cravings, bringing clarity and strength. You can also place crystals on your body while you relax, aligning your chakras and promoting balance. Section 5. Conclusion. A natural aid for a healthier you. Crystals offer a gentle and natural way to manage cravings. Remember to choose crystals that resonate with you and your intentions. Experiment with different ways of using them to find what works best for you. While crystals can be a supportive tool, it's essential to remember that they work best in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle. Combining crystal healing with a balanced diet, Regular exercise and stress management techniques can lead to long-term well-being.